Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing for my Ipsy Glam bag, and I also have my Ipsy Glam bag plus. So for today I'm gonna try to do my makeup for my costume. Today's Halloween, and I'm gonna try to do my makeup like Ochaku or Ochaku Uraraka. She's from My Hero. I don't know if you can't see my shirt, but my shirt is also My Hero, so she's the one right here. I'll show you my costume once I'm done with my makeup, but I'm going to show you what I have in here and how it's going to help me do my makeup today. Okay, so this is my Ipsy bag, and let's see what's inside. So this is my October bag, and I have 5 items in here. So 2 of the first items that I got were these face masks. These are from Essence Herb. This one's a tea tree mask, and this one's a canola honey mask. So I'm gonna put one of these on in a packet after I'm done showing you guys what I got. And for this month's bag, I got this. It's a Betty Boop. So in the front it has her face, and in the back it has sequins. It's really cute. Okay, so to what I got. Okay, so one of the first things I have in here, I'm gonna check the names. It comes with every Ipsy bag comes with this, and it tells you what you got. Base Case Cosmetics Highlighter in Scene from Space 1E. So I already have a lot of highlighters, and I told myself if I were to get like something that I don't want in my Ipsy bags, that I'm gonna put it in a box and I'm gonna save it for 2 months. Or like if I have like a lot of stuff that I didn't want in this month, I was gonna do a giveaway. But I think this is one of the first items that I'm gonna put in this box. And the next item here is this Betty Boop and Ipsy. Oh, so this is in collaboration with Ipsy, the Blink and Wink mascara. Oh, that's such a cute name. So it has Betty Boop's figure right there, and you have the name right here. Okay, sorry, it wasn't focusing. And this is how the wand looks like. There's a lot of sun coming in right now, so I'm sorry we can't see this. So that's the mascara. And I got a brush in this month's bag. I love getting brushes from Ipsy. Like, I already have a lot, but Ipsy always sends like really nice high quality brushes. So this one's double-sided. This is by the brand Crown. And I like how this side, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like product on this already. Okay, so I haven't used this, so I don't know why there's product on this. Okay, so the last item that I have in here is I believe the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So now moving on to my Ipsy box. This is the bag for it. It has Betty Boop right here, and just like this one, it has sequins. It's like those. So one of the first items that I have in my box is this No Pore Blem Priming Water in Rose, Flower Water, and Oil. So I've always seen this brand, but I've never tried it before. I'm excited to try this, and it's just like water. So this is priming water, but I've never seen something like this. So I got another highlighter in this one. So this is the I don't even know how you pronounce this one. Okay, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this, but this is a highlighter. It's a powder stick highlighter. So this is in the shade Ultraviolet. It's in the shade Ultraviolet, and like the other highlighter, I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna put this in a box for a giveaway. Okay, so the next item I got is this Betty Boop and Ipsy Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. You're a peach at Although the Heartbreaker. So let's see. So this is what the palette looks like. It has some really nice shades, but I'm not a fan when a blush has like shimmers in it, because I feel like it makes my face look like it has a rash. But I'm gonna do some quick swatches. This is the first shade. It's the lightest one. I'm just gonna put it on my hand right here. So this is kind of like a highlight. I did this swatch right here. You can barely see it. It's more like of a highlight. I wouldn't say it's a blush. I'm gonna try to do a swatch for this one. So for all of these, it says to lightly press it. This one's a nice shade. It shows up more. This one's like a nice pinky, light pinky tone. And this one's more of like a dark rosy tone. And then this last shade doesn't have any shimmer. Oh, I did such a bad swatch for that one. I feel like you can't see any of these swatches. They're super light, and even though I'm pressing hard on it, on the palette, it just doesn't show. So that's my third item. My fourth item, I love, like I said before, I love when Ipsy sends me brushes. Okay, so my camera cut me off, but I was saying I got these brushes. So these are from Ferrar. I don't know how to pronounce this. I hear so many people say like different things, so I'm just like, which one is it? Is it Ferrar? I don't know. But these are, I love their brushes. Ipsy has sent me a few before from this brand, and I've always loved them. So these are 3 brushes. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but oh yes you can. So you can see that they're like blue. I think the brushes, they look black, they have like a bluish tint. So this is the Stripping 40 FM, and I love how soft these brushes are. And this one is the Cheeky N218. This one's like a really nice brush. And the last one I have here is the 20FF Straight. Oh my goodness, I love these brushes. Like, they're so pretty. Okay, this is the Midnight Pro Trio. And the last item that I got from my Ipsy bag, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, is these Jewel Smith Beauty Power Gloss Duo. I don't want to do swatches because I think I'm gonna give these away too. So I do have a few items from this month's bag that I am gonna give away because I feel like I have too many lip glosses, I have too many highlights, or I feel like someone else would benefit more from them than I would, because I don't have a lot of makeup, but I feel like I have too much makeup for myself that I will use. So I'd rather just give them to someone who will use them. Okay, so moving on to the stuff that I bought. Okay, so before you were only able to buy just 3 items from Ipsy, add-ons, but I think now they did it for 5. So I'm also gonna give this away. I bought this, but I didn't know that I was getting the palette. So I believe this shade is in here. The next item this is an item that I bought. This is the Betty Boop lipstick. I don't have a name for it, but it came from this month's add-ons. Oh, it's so pretty. It's cute. And it's in this nice shade. So I'm gonna do a quick swatch right here. I don't know what it is, but when you when you get towards the end of your swatch, it just kind of like has a circle. I don't know if it's because I'm swatching it wrong or that's just how it is, but it's a really nice shade. Okay, the next item that I got was this Drawn to Your Eyeliner Betty Boop eyeliner. So I haven't had a pen eyeliner. Oh, this is really nice. One of the first eyeliners that I got was something like this, but I was never able to like do it properly. So this is a brush from the same collection. It's so soft. I'm sorry, I'm playing with it. And it has Betty's initial right here, and it also comes with a lot of little hearts. For the last item I have is this Kendall Jenner Moon Teeth Whitening Pen. I'm going to be giving this away because Ipsy sent me 2 of these and I just need 1. So I'm going to give this away. but right now I'm gonna try to do my makeup using all these products, or at least try to use most of these products as much as I can. Okay, so to start prepping my face, I am gonna use a face mask. I think for today, so this face mask is to nourish the skin, and this one is to skin stress care. So I feel like I'm gonna need this one more. So open it and apply it. So for this face mask, it says to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll be right back. I was almost falling asleep with this. It's been 20 minutes already. And I normally like to put an alarm. After I take off my face mask, I like to go in with my roller and just kind of like roll everything into my skin. In case you're wondering about my roller, I got this for $7 at TJ Maxx, and it's so cute. The inside is filled with like water, and it has like sprinkles in there. I'm done with my face mask, so now we're moving on to the next item. Okay, so the next item I'm going to use is the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. I can't open it. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to apply some on my skin, on my face, my skin, my face. I'm just going to take just a little bit. It smells kind of medicine-y. This one feels really, really nice too. Okay, so now that my my cream has been like absorbed into my skin, it says to take 2 or 3 drops. I'm taking 2 and just apply it onto your skin. I'm trying not to smell this as much because I get really like lightheaded, or I get just headaches from like any scent, and this is in the scent of rose water. I'm just gonna use my fingers, and I'm gonna use one more. Maybe one more. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, and now my face is ready for makeup. I'm gonna try to do my makeup similar to hers. So in the show, she's always blushing, and you can always like see that she has very pink cheeks, and like in most of her scenes, she's always just like full on like blushing. See? So I'm gonna try to add like some extra blush today. So her makeup, she doesn't really have that much makeup on. It doesn't look like she uses makeup. So I'm gonna try to keep my makeup as simple and just focus more on the cheeks today. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply my foundation. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm just gonna do like an even layer. I'm not gonna put too much, just enough to cover some of my red spots. And I'm not gonna try to do like very heavy makeup today. Now I'm taking my sponge, now I'll blend it out. Okay, so that was very simple. I'm trying to keep this as natural as possible. And now I'm gonna conceal my dark eyes, my underbag eyes. I have such like really bad under eyes. But I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C9. And my foundation is in the shade F10. But now I'm gonna set my foundation. I'm gonna use the Satay Translucent Extraordinary Powder. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques. I don't know what the name of this sponge is, but it's supposedly it's mainly just for like powder. got hinky for a little bit. Okay, so I'm taking my Smashbox and I'm going to be using the shade Suntan. Now I'm just going to put some on my side right here just to make my face look a little bit smaller. I'm just going to leave that on for a little bit more.
While my powder is baking, I'm going to fill in my items.
My eyes, I'm going to put some concealer to cancel any discoloration. Blend it out. I'm gonna be taking the crown brush from my Ipsy bag, and I think that's how simple I'm gonna keep it for my eye look. Because again, Odoraka doesn't wear any makeup, so I don't have any like makeup pictures to look for, like to get like inspired by. So I'm just gonna keep it simple. And now I'm gonna move on to the cheeks. And for the cheeks, I'm gonna be using the cheeky end brush from Ferrer, I don't know. And I'm gonna try to do a little bit of an exaggeration on my cheeks today. And what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna take colors from all three. And instead of like blending it in towards the back, I'm just gonna try to like press it like straight on there, so it's a little bit obvious. I feel like these colors don't show up as much, not even on camera. Like you can't really see any pigmentation from this. I'm gonna try to just concentrate on picking up product from this shade because it's the one that like doesn't have any shimmer. And I feel like, oh, there you go, see? Again, I'm just gonna concentrate right on my cheeks right here, and I'm just gonna like gently put it a little bit towards the back. But I do want my blush to be very obvious because that's how the cheeks are. I don't know if you can see that good, but this really didn't pick up that much product. Like there's just no pigment in this. The only one that I did see pigmentation would be on this. I'm gonna use the eyeliner. So excited to use this. And I'm just gonna make a little baby wing. Okay, so I did a little baby wing. Nothing too dramatic. So I'm gonna curl my lashes now. I did like the eyeliner a lot. I feel like I wish I could have done like a little bit more of a like thicker wing, but because I want to keep this as natural as I can, I'm just gonna do a small little soft baby wing. Now I'm gonna take the mascara, the Blink and Wink mascara. This kind of reminds me of the Too Faced mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara. This one doesn't make your eyelashes clumpy like the Too Faced does. And now I'm gonna add the lipstick. I'm kind of regretting the eyeshadow right now. But that's simply because I feel like it stands out a little bit too much, more than I wanted it to. But it's okay. I'm just gonna do a nice soft highlight. Nothing too dramatic today. Okay, so personally I did like how this look turned out.